can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Zilliqa. Zilliqa over the last 1 week is up 6.9%. The last 1 month has seen it gain 5.4% of its value. All coins are having a nice time. Altcoin market is bubbling. Over the last 1 week, we've seen double-digit gains across the board. It's official. We're in an altcoin season. We're in an altcoin month. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of Zilliqa? We'll look at Zilliqa's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame, where those key levels to watch out for as we attempt to get to new all-time highs. We'll also look at Zilliqa's performance against Ethereum, and we'll look at Zilliqa's market cap. Can we get over $1 billion before the end of the cycle? Maybe we even get over $2 billion before the end of the cycle. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Zilliqa, currently trading around $0.012, has a market cap of around $237 million. The all-time high for Zilliqa came in on the 6th of May 2021. We saw it trading for as high as $0.25. Right now it's down 95% from that all-time highs. All coins can be very, very volatile. All coins are volatile in both directions. Volatility in the altcoin market, it's a future, it's not a bug. If you look at what Zelica did after it was launched, it first dumped to Goblin Town, give us an exit pump, setting new all-time highs. It rallied up by more than 650% in that exit pump. Then the real dump to Goblin Town begins. In the bear market, all coins are very bearish. In the bear market, market participants are driven by fear, selling their altcoins for some US dollars, from Ethereum, for Bitcoin, and those altcoins dump aggressively to Goblin Town. Zilliqa was no exception. We saw Zilliqa dumping aggressively, and by the time the COVID sell-off came in, Zilliqa was down by 98% from an all-time highs. But guys, that's always the best time to get into these altcoins, when they're in the bottom of the bear market, when it looks like it's dead, when it looks like it's not going to ever come back. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. You want to buy when there's fear in the market, and you want to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. In the market, you're playing a game against other market participants. How high can you sell? How low can you buy? And if you bought Zilliqa when it was down low, believing to go high, the market rewarded you for your patience, rewarded you for your risks, because by the end of the 2021 bull market, we saw Zilliqa getting to new all-time highs. We saw Zilliqa pumping and trading above $0.24, a 7,800% pump in around 413 days is what Zilliqa experienced. At the top, market participants are always bullish. At the bottom, they're always bearish. Market participants that was bullish at the top of Zilliqa, they got wrong-footed, because after the top comes in, after everybody has bought, we're going to the moon, there's no more dump to Goblin Town, then the real dump to Goblin Town begins, and that's where the bear market always begins. The bear market can be brutal. The bear market can be very, very brutal. The bear market can be brutal. The bear market can be very, very crazy. You see a lot of dumps to Goblin Town in the bear market. And we even saw a huge pump for Zilliqa in the bear market, where it attempted to get to new all-time highs. But in total, Zilliqa eventually dumped to Goblin Town, losing about 96% of its value in the process, which is normal. We saw Zilliqa do that in the previous bear market before it had this huge pump to the moon. This time it's not different. But guys, we have to pay attention to key levels. As we're pumping to higher prices, we might face huge resistance in some major key levels. One of those levels to watch out for Zilliqa, first, the $0.038 region. We might see Zilliqa pumping towards that and then facing some rejection. We've seen Zilliqa form support there in the past. In 2022, we saw Zilliqa getting rejected there in March of 2018, and then in November of 2024, we also got rejected there. So in the coming days and the coming weeks, as we start pumping to higher prices, I will expect Zilliqa to at least have a chill pill there. Maybe we'll consolidate for 1 or 2 days there before we continue our ascent to higher prices and probably to a new all-time highs from where we're currently trading. For Zilliqa to get to a new all-time highs, we need to see it pull a 1,900% move to the upside, which is possible. We have seen Zilliqa do that in the past. This time is not different. But guys, There's no guarantee for it getting to new all-time highs. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. Remember, you want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy when there's fear in the market, you want to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. You want to get some Zilliqa for yourself, you can get some on Binance, on Bybit, on Upbit, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. And why are market participants buying Zilliqa? Why do they care about this blockchain? Why will it be pumping in the future? Zilliqa is a public permissionless blockchain that is designed to offer high throughput with the ability to complete thousands of transactions per second. It seeks to solve the issues of blockchain scalability and speed by employing sharding as a second layer scaling solution. The platform is home to many centralized applications, and as of October 2020, it allows for staking and yield farming. Altcoin season is here. Historically, that's when altcoins start going parabolic, and historically, that's when the cycle comes to an end. Right now, we're in altcoin season, which means we're very close to the end of the cycle. But before the end of the cycle comes, altcoins are going to give us that exit pump, that blow off top. Remember to sell for some sweet profit. If you look at Zelica's performance against Ethereum, it has dumped to new all-time low, which is expected. But guys, when the market gets bullish, when we see altcoins pumping aggressively, when we see altcoin season, expect to see altcoins like Zilliqa outperforming Ethereum. Historically, all the whales that have made huge money from Bitcoin, from Ethereum, will start flinging those profits into the altcoin market. See the altcoin market pumping. I'll not be shocked to see Zilliqa joining that party. I'll not be shocked to see Zilliqa give us 100, maybe 200, maybe even as high as a 400% pump against Ethereum over the next few days and the next few weeks. Things can move quickly in the cryptocurrency market. You don't want to get stuck holding the bag. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is dumping, which usually is a good sign for altcoins, which usually leads to altcoins going parabolic. Greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. You want to be selling your bags when we get to extreme grade. Historically, extreme grade will come when we're in altcoin season. Market participants will start buying altcoins, saying this time is different, and then the dump to goblin town begins. If you look at Zilliqa's market cap, still a long way to go to new all-time highs. Zilliqa's market cap sits below the $1 billion level. The line in the sand for Zilliqa's market cap is still the $700 million region. We're always finding strong resistance when we get there. We're always getting rejected when we get there. For Zilliqa to get to new all-time highs, it has to get to as high as $2.8 billion in market cap, which means from where we're currently trading right now, Zilliqa will have to put one of those epic bull run pumps and go up by more than 1,000%. It has done it before. It did in 2021. There's no guarantee to do it in 2025. We might even pump above $2.8 billion and get to as high as $5 billion. Only time will tell. But one thing is sure, the exit pump is upon us. One thing is sure, Zilliqa will be joining the party over the next few days and the next few weeks. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying Zilliqa? How high do you see Zilliqa going before the end of a bull market cycle? And where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.